Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn data science training program offered by INCERD, and the program focus is on data science, and the target audience for today's lecture is computer science and engineering students. Our website is www.incerd.in. The objectives of the project: train CSE students in core principles of data science and analytics, develop strong foundation in Python, statistics, data handling, and visualization, enable students to build ML based predictive models, and enhance research innovation and employability in data driven domains. Needs and justification for data science professionals due to industry demand. Data science is a top 10 global tech career. India requires over 1 lakh data science professionals each year across IT, healthcare, finance, agriculture, and e-commerce sectors. Companies seek like in Python, ML, SQL, statistics, and BI tools. Many CSE graduates lack practical experience and specific data science skills. INCERD aims to make students industry ready data scientists through their training program. Key missing skills include practical experience with real datasets and knowledge of machine learning pipelines. Our program also addresses the need for skills in visualization, storytelling, and deploying data science models. The scope of the training program: statistics and probability, Python for data science, data wrangling, data visualization, predictive analytics, machine learning models, exploratory data analysis, business insights, cloud based data processing, and capstone project. The duration will be 120 to 200 hours. The targeted group is first, second, third, and fourth year CSE students, and outcome will be AI engineering, ML developer, research project developer. We provide detailed training modules for data science course. The program consists of 10 modules culminating in a capstone project. Key topics covered include Python programming, statistics, data visualization, machine learning, and cloud big data basics. And the curriculum also incorporates industry use cases and exploratory data analysis (EDA). Software requirements for data science program. So the core language or the tools: Python, Jupyter Notebook, Power BI, MySQL, or PostgreSQL, and the cloud platforms like Google Colab, AWS Educate, and Azure for students. Here is a Venn diagram that illustrates that data science is the interdisciplinary field that lies at the intersection of several key domains. Data science is the overlap of computer science, maths and statistics, and business or domain expertise. Machine learning is the intersection of the computer science and mathematics and statistics. Data analysis is where maths and statistics meets business or domain expertise. Traditional software is the overlap between computer science and business expertise. Key stages involved in the data science project. The project process include problem definition and data collection, exploratory data analysis and data pre-processing, model building and model evaluation, deployment and feedback for improvement. The 7 stages of data science life cycle. This iterative process outlines the steps required to develop insights and prediction from data. Stage 1: business understanding. Define objectives for the problem that needs to be tackled. Stage 2: data mining. Gather and scrap the necessary data for the project. Stage 3: data cleaning. Fix inconsistency and handle missing values within the data. Stage 4: data exploration. Form hypotheses about the defined problem by visually analyzing the data. Stage 5: feature engineering. Select important features and construct more meaningful ones from the raw data. Stage 6: predictive modeling. Train machine learning models, evaluate their performance, and use them to make predictions. And stage 7 is the last stage: data visualization. Communicate findings using plots and interactive visualization. The expected outcome of data science program. Strong foundation. Students gain strong foundation in data science concept, practical experience, ability to work on real datasets and machine learning models. Projects and placement. Over 50 students projects are completed annually, leading to higher placement probability in data driven roles. And institutional growth. The institute develops a data science center of excellence. In conclusion, this program focuses on practical skills, cloud exposure, real time projects, and industry alignment to prepare engineers for the digital economy. And the topic, a complete training model for CSE students to master data science. And the key features, hands on learning, cloud exposure, real time projects, and industry alignment. And the goal is create future ready and data driven engineers. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.